Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 9 and what we hope to see in the next generation of this powerhouse smartwatch. While Garmin has remained relatively tight-lipped about the Fenix 9, we have compiled a comprehensive wish list of features and improvements that could take this device to the next level. Enhanced satellite connectivity and SOS features. One of the most requested features for the Garmin Fenix 9 is built-in satellite connectivity, similar to what Apple is rumored to be incorporating in the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Having access to an emergency SOS function via satellite would be a game-changer, allowing users to stay connected even in remote locations. While it may not match the full functionality of Garmin's in-reach devices, a streamlined version with emergency alerts and live tracking could provide significant safety benefits. LTE connectivity for greater independence. Currently, Garmin smartwatches rely on a paired smartphone for full connectivity. A built-in LTE option, similar to what some Forerunner models offer, would allow users to receive emergency alerts, send location updates, and even access limited smart notifications without needing to carry a phone. This would be particularly useful for endurance athletes, hikers, and adventurers who want the freedom of a standalone device without sacrificing safety. Improved voice commands and hands-free interaction. Garmin introduced voice command functionality with the Fenix 8 series, but its implementation has been somewhat clunky. Users must hold down a button to activate the feature, which can be inconvenient, especially during workouts. The Fenix 9 should offer an always listening option, allowing users to trigger commands with a simple wake phrase like, "Hey Garmin." This would make it much easier to start activities, check progress, or adjust settings mid-run without fumbling with buttons. Smarter assistant for real-time stats. Voice commands should also be enhanced to provide real-time activity insights. Imagine being able to ask your watch, "How much further do I have left in my run?" Or "What's my current elevation?" without needing to stop and navigate through menus. Providing quick, voice-activated access to training stats, pace predictions, and estimated finish times would greatly enhance usability and competition against AI-driven fitness assistants. Intuitive gesture controls. One of the standout features of the Apple Watch Ultra is its double-tap functionality, allowing users to cycle through screens with a simple tap of their fingers. This would be a fantastic addition to the Fenix 9, making it easier to switch data screens mid-activity without pressing buttons or using touchscreens. Given Garmin's focus on usability in extreme conditions, this feature would be especially beneficial for athletes wearing gloves or those in wet environments. Streamlined navigation and UI enhancements. Navigation has always been one of Garmin's strengths, but recent UI changes have made it slightly less intuitive. Previously, navigation screens were integrated seamlessly into the main data fields, but they are now buried within menus. The Fenix 9 should bring back the ability to access maps and navigation tools quickly without excessive button presses. Additionally, Garmin's onboard maps, while excellent, suffer from slow rendering speeds when zooming or panning. Whether through software optimization or upgraded hardware, a smoother map experience with faster redraw rates would significantly improve usability, especially for backcountry navigation. 24/7 fall detection and safety features. Apple's fall detection feature has been praised for its life-saving potential, and Garmin should step up its game by introducing 24/7 fall detection on the Fenix 9. If a user falls and remains unresponsive, the watch could automatically send an emergency alert to designated contacts or Garmin Response. Integrating this with Garmin's in-reach capabilities would provide an added layer of security for outdoor adventurers, ensuring that help can be dispatched even in remote areas. Expanded health and fitness tracking ecosystem. Garmin's closed health tracking system limits integration with third-party apps and services. While Garmin devices can export data to platforms like Apple Health, they don't allow external services to write data back into the Garmin ecosystem. The Fenix 9 should adopt a more open approach, enabling seamless integration with a wider range of fitness and health apps. This would make it easier for users to consolidate their health data and gain a more comprehensive view of their fitness progress. Enhanced third-party app support. Speaking of integrations, Garmin could benefit from expanding compatibility with more third-party apps. While MyFitnessPal has been the go-to for calorie tracking, users should have the option to sync with other nutrition and fitness platforms. Expanding compatibility with Strava, Training Peaks, and other fitness tools would make the Fenix 9 a more versatile device for athletes of all levels. Improved battery life and charging speed. Garmin is known for its exceptional battery life, but there's always room for improvement. With the introduction of micro-LED display technology, the Fenix 9 could potentially push battery life beyond 40-plus days on standard usage. Faster charging would also be a welcome addition, allowing users to quickly top up their battery before heading out on long excursions. Trade-in program for upgrades. Many tech companies now offer trade-in programs for older devices, and it's time Garmin followed suit. A structured trade-in program would allow users to exchange their previous generation Fenix watches for a discount on the latest model. This would not only incentivize upgrades, but also create a more sustainable cycle for Garmin users who want to stay up to date without the hassle of reselling their old watches. Conclusion. What's next for the Garmin Fenix 9? The Garmin Fenix 9 has the potential to be the ultimate multi-sport GPS smartwatch, building on the legacy of its predecessors while introducing innovative new features. From LTE connectivity and satellite SOS functions to improved voice commands and faster maps, the wishlist is long but achievable. Whether Garmin will implement all these changes remains to be seen, but we can certainly hope. What features would you like to see in the Garmin Fenix 9? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's get a conversation going. As always, stay tuned to technology in the future for the latest updates on Garmin and all things tech. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.